outside. Oh, I think it's raining.
Like granulated, man, them want to see me naked. Even though I'm overweighted, rich man make me stimulated, gun man make me lubricated. No get me aggravated. Bullet when me fire fatter than a fucking elephant. True me sing the gun song, them a tell me that they're relevant. But while me have to express myself like a criminal. Try this I'ma make the bat float like pelican. And everybody know what love I'm ground. Burger Park, Canterbury.
Hey, you guys. Oh, it's windy. Oh shit, box is falling. Welcome to my channel. We're gonna do the talk inside. Oh, I think it's raining. Oh, that's fucked up. Oh. Let's do it. Oh, what the hell? Oh, and I forgot my mask. Wait, hold on.
You need a mask?
Yeah, ma. Yeah, now I gotta wear that stupid one y'all be giving out. Morning, how it go? Morning. Is it morning? Yeah, it's morning. Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah. We probably gonna have to redo this, y'all. Oh, and y'all got the worst mask of all. I hate this. Jesus Christ. I'm about to talk to
Does that
Michael.
work?
Hmm?
Does that work?
No, it works. It just, it hurt the back of your ears.
Yeah, it does a little bit. If you want to run home to get your mask, I can wait for you if you want to.
No, okay.
No? You good?
Uh-huh. Mask is a mask. I'm gonna have to stop this. I'll be back in trouble. Okay, you guys. Sorry. I didn't even get to say my introduction right, but let me say it real quick. Hey, you guys. Damn, I look crazy. I'm sorry. We just gonna have to do it when I get out the car, but I'm going to the doctor and I'm taking y'all with me. Period. So you can understand what's going on. This shit hurting my ears. I hate this. But that's the best I can do. I'm getting to these lashes. So, looking like money. Okay, so I'm gonna show some of the way. Cause I don't know what else to do. Coming in a car like this, it's looking crazy. So I'm here at my appointment, you guys. You can see it, the name. My doctor's office. I came to the one in Long Island. I normally go to the one in the Bronx. But we're here. That's cute, right? So we're gonna see what he has to say. Like I said, I never really told y'all anything like about my accident or anything like that, but I've always left it for you guys to ask. But since this is how I'm choosing to do my channel, you guys will get to start seeing more stuff like this, but I'm not gonna go into depth unless you ask. So I'm at my appointment today. Hopefully today's a care day. I want to do my nails today, period. Like, these lashes is given. I look like money and I got money, so no reason I shouldn't. So we're gonna see what Dr. Lehman got to say today, because I'm tired of being treated like a guinea pig, ran around the world, just taking medicine and trying new shit. It's not working. Let's see what he says. I hope I don't cry my lashes off. Every time I come to this place, I just be in here sad and crying, because they don't be giving me no good news, no hope, no nothing that everything gonna fix or get changed and get better. In here. So it's just, I'm tired. And now I'm gonna start vlogging about it, because the way I'm being treated is like, no, I'm not a fucking guinea pig. I don't want to take y'all test ass drugs. I don't want to do none of that shit. I don't want to do none of that. And it's just like, I don't understand, because everybody get paid. They all get paid. They all get their money. So why I can't get fixed? This has been happening. I've been dying. What is with this? Shit is not trying to let me be great. It hurt on my ears. My ears is little. All I gotta think about is like, I want to swerve. I want to swerve and I want to go do these nails. See what he gotta say. Here it is. Told y'all I wear a lot of camo. You already know. Always got my dirty girl bag. For my blood clot back, dirty girl. Anyway, yes, so it's given. So that's always good. So I don't know which vlog this is gonna be on or when it's gonna come out, but I'm just glad I got to actually record today, get something down, and I'm gonna show you my lawyer's card. It's really cute. Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome.
See you later. Look. I see the car? I see it. I'm about to go in the house. If you hurt. It's mad windy today. It's crazy. But look, y'all. I made it to the nail salon. Okay. It's been forever. Miss, I don't care what the price is. I just want you to do my nails. I'm recording it because I can't see. But we happy we made it. Huh? I love the shade, yes. Margot hooking me up. I'll be a whole new person for y'all. I'm gonna hear nothing. I don't know if I should mute like the whole week of what I'm doing. Oh my god. Or should I just do for today, like my vlog? Or show the whole week? I just got tomorrow. I think I got another appointment, doctor's appointment. So I don't know. Salon, let's nail salon. Margot is hooking me up. She's hooking me up. So I'm just glad this is finally getting done. I got this stuff on my face. But I'm so cute though. So like I said, I don't know if I'm just gonna do the whole week or if I'm just gonna do what I did today. I have another appointment tomorrow. This was a trade as a team. And Sakina is supposed to do a meeting, so that would be something good to show y'all, like live of me like actually investing. So that would be cool. If y'all want to learn how to invest, just put it down below too. We're all learning. We're all new, so. What's Margot? I'll be vlogging, my bad. I'm a vlogger. So you guys, quick business tip. Always carry your business cards with you. For promo. So you can get to, you know, get your business known in the neighborhood, the area where you stay in. Carry some business cards so you can give them out and hand them out. Okay? Don't forget. Ready now. Yes, that is us officially. Isn't it cute? Like it cute tonight. Met Snails on Wakefield. Sorry, good night.
Thank you. Good night.